Good evening and welcome to another edition of Voir Dire, the Crime Talk edition. And this evening I'd like to talk to you about an update in the Christopher Watts case one more time. What has come about late Friday afternoon on November 2nd at approximately 4:20 p.m., the district attorney filed a notice of a status hearing, and it simply says, comes now. Michael J. Rourke, District Attorney in and for the 19th Judicial District of the State of Colorado, and by and through his undersigned Chief Deputy District Attorney and Deputy District Attorney, respectfully notifies all parties of the following. A status hearing has been set in the instant case on Tuesday, November 6, 2018, at 2 p.m. in Division 17, and that'll be in the Weld County District Court. What's interesting about this is that this matter already had a status hearing set on the 19th of November, and things are kind of in a holding pattern. We were waiting to see what happened in the civil case as it related to the release of the autopsy report. The status hearing on the 19th was going to be set for the setting of the preliminary hearing. Now, I can tell you, I have absolutely no idea exactly what this is regarding. What is significant is, though, that this has been coordinated with the, obviously the district attorney, the defense counsel, and the court. This date had to have been cleared with all of the parties involved in the case, and it's set for some reason. It could be simply setting something as simple as they want to move a date. Let's say, for example, they want to move the 16th, and they said, let's just add it on. It could be something procedural, very simple like that. There could be something they just want to let the court know about, make sure all the parties address it so that it's done now. I really have no idea. Or, in the alternative, and I can tell you as a practicing attorney, when we add a case on like this, oftentimes it is set for a change of plea. Somebody wants to enter a plea. Is this what this is set for? I have no idea. But usually, if you add a case on early, if there is going to be a plea, you want to do it, strike while everything is hot, so to speak, and your client and the defendant wants to plead guilty ultimately. So it'll be curious to see if maybe the DAs have told Mr. Watts and his counsel, you know, this is the offer, and maybe he accepted it. Or it could be something simple as setting a date to reschedule a date in the future when maybe parties aren't available. It was near the holiday, getting close to the holiday, and they wanted to avoid it, or who knows. The reality of it is we don't know yet. I am going to personally try to be up at the hearing on the 6th at 2 p.m. to see if I can get in and observe and then immediately report what has happened. Thank you for tuning in to this quick update. You can obviously follow the podcast. You can follow us on YouTube at scottreisch.com. We appreciate everyone that has subscribed and liked it, and we appreciate the comments. If you have questions or comments, please leave them down below, and I will try to respond to, if not all of them, as many as possible. And I appreciate you listening to Voir Dire, the Crime Talk edition. And I hope you continue to watch, and hopefully we'll have some informative information for you on Tuesday, November 6th at about 2 p.m. Perhaps we can go live very shortly thereafter and let everyone know what's taking place. Have a great day, and please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thank you.